Carl receives a request to print an A4 color booklet. He selects the preset A4 color booklet print product, and everything is set up as he wants it, including finishing like folding and stapling. But this booklet is printed until the edge, so it has to be printed on larger paper and the edges have to be trimmed. He selects SRA 3 and the layout adjusts automatically. His client would like a cover printed on a thicker paper. He modifies it with a few clicks. Everything is all set up and the document is ready to print. His client is happy. Carl saves his settings as a product for future reuse. He prints everything. The result comes out stapled and folded with the cover in place, and all he needs to do is trim the edges in a finisher. Carl can also optimize his jobs by printing multiple booklets on one sheet. He can set up 2 A5 booklets on one SRA 3 sheet with a few clicks. If the finisher needs register marks, he can set those up with a click as well. And of course, Carl can save all his settings and reuse them the next time round. And if his client would like something even more professional for the next print round, Carl is prepared. From perfect bound magazines to books printed with cross-fold imposition, Carl can produce brochures, books, magazines, and all kinds of similar print jobs for his clients with AccurioPro Flux. Thanks, Carl.
Konica Minolta.